Hey YouTube, welcome back. Part 33 of my 720 booster pack opening. And it's the final set. Team Magma versus Team Aqua. One of the rarest EX sets out there. They are pretty hard to come by. They're pretty expensive. Not as expensive as some of the other sets, obviously, but to me, they are wicked, especially to get a box. And then especially to get 2 boxes. So I found myself pretty lucky. I bought all these packs for about, I think it was like $1.75 each. I think when it came out to it, when I got it from the guy. So I should hopefully get some pretty good pulls. I'm gonna do around 15, 16 minute part each, and we'll see how many I can get done in each part. I'm not gonna count it. It could be 10 packs in 15 minutes, or it could be 20, 30. We'll just go ahead and wing it, because I'm in no rush to finish these packs. So we got Team Aqua Technical Machine 1, Archie, Aron, Pikachu, Psyduck, Electrike, Slowpoke, Team Aqua's Conspirator Reverse, and our first holo, which is a Cacturn holo, which is awesome. The holos in the set are awesome. It reminds me so much of Team Rocket. And Team Rocket set was amazing. The only thing I have to do is try to save the packs, because these packs are hard to save. They're extremely fragile and extremely old. The last time I opened a pack from this set, it was in a random blister pack I happened to come across at Walmart, or Target I mean. Aqua Energy, that's awesome, look at that. Team Aqua Ball, Psyduck, Houndour, Electrike, Poochyena, another Poochyena, Team Magma Belt, and a Claydol holo. Now this set isn't too big, only 95 cards, so I should come close to completing the set. But I got so many packs of these because I have always wanted to open them. I know you guys are probably saying, send me the link where you bought these, I want them too. But guys, I bought everything the guy had. So you guys need to look on eBay all the time for great deals. That's all I've got to say, because that's where I got these. Team Aqua Hideout, Houndoom, Squirtle, Team Magma Schemer, that's awesome. Chinchou, Bulbasaur, Houndour, Jigglypuff Reverse, and a Sharpedo, my first rare, which is a nice rare too. I like that rare. I've looked at this set to look at some of the cards, and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty badass set. Rhyhorn, Team Aqua's Conspirator, Corphish, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Spheal, Pikachu, Slowpoke Reverse, and wow, Team Aqua's Manectric holo. Look at that holo. I love the holo background. It's got the like M and the A. It's so cool. The set, extremely well thought of. I was very impressed. It's no wonder it's so hard to get too. I'm sure when it came out, people were jumping on it. At least I would have if I was still collecting then. Houndoom, Warp Point, Aron, Meowth, Carvana, Poochyena, Baltoy, Celio Reverse, and a Mightyena. Yeah, it seems like this is the pack that's going to pose the most difficulty to me. So, as in always, I open it from the bottom because that one's part is more structurally sound, and it works. Perfect. Carvana, Team Aqua Hideout. We got a Team Aqua Schemer, Jigglypuff, Poochyena, Cubone, Carvana, Carvana Reverse, and a Sharpedo. Carvana, Team Aqua's Hideout, Bulbasaur, Poochyena, Electric, Psyduck, Houndour, ooh, Rhyhorn Reverse, and a Lairon. That's an awesome Lairon. I don't mind that being a rare. It's a pretty cool card. Looks awesome. And I think by making all these like evil cards and stuff, it made it really, really nice looking. I'm not sure the ratio of holos or ultra rares in this set, but hopefully I'll get a few. Aqua Energy, Team Aqua Ball, Meowth, Corphish, Houndour, Poochyena, Aeron, Lantern Reverse, sweet, Team Magma Houndoom. I actually had this a long time ago, but ended up trading it away for a really good deal too. And I can see why. The card is awesome. We have Lantern, Warpoint, Baltoy, Aeron, Team Magma Schemer, Corphish, Rhyhorn, Team Aqua Technical Machine 1, and a Mightyena. We got Strength Charm, Baltoy, Spheal, Corphish, Houndour, Chinchou, Spheal, another Spheal Reverse, and ooh, look at that, it's a Viper. Love how it's coming out of the M, that's wicked. Or is it the A? It looks like an A actually. Team Aqua's awesome. Some of these packs just like rip open. It's crazy. We have Celio, Lairon, Slowpoke, Aeron, another Aeron, Meowth, Carvana, Crawdaunt Reverse, sweet, Team Magma's Aggron. Actually, I think I have one of these in my collection, but it's always nice to get another one. That's for sure. Especially with such a rare set. Really want to save more of these packs. They're all breaking on me. I have to start opening them all from like the bottom or something. Team Magma's Hideout, Baltoy, Bulbasaur, Houndour, Poochyena, Baltoy, Carvana, Team Magma Hideout, and a Zangoose. Sweet. Damn. Such fragile packs. Dual Ball, Aqua Energy, Carvana, Bulbasaur, Numel, Seal, Cubone, Claydol Reverse, and check that out. Groudon. Team Magma's Groudon. If you don't like that, that is insane, dude. Wow. Damn. Hopefully I'll get an EX soon. We can check those out. Team Aqua's Conspirator. Magma Energy, which I haven't got, so that's cool. Spheal. Pikachu. Numel. Electrike. Team Aqua Schemer. Laron Reverse. And a Rhydon. Awesome. Dual Ball, Houndour, Poochyena, Cubone, Carvana, Psyduck, Poochyena, Mightyena Reverse, and another Mightyena. Come on, EX. Let's do it. Cacnea. It's a wicked green color, too. Archie. Jigglypuff. Baltoy. Aron. Poochyena. Poochyena again. Mightyena Reverse. And a Crawdon. Lantern, Warp Point, Spheal, Aron, Meow, Carvana, Poochyena, Team Aqua's Conspirator Reverse, and a Rhydon. Claydol, Team Magma Technical Machine 1, Spheal, Pikachu, Numel, Electrike, Team Aqua Schemer, Team Magma Ball Reverse, and then, where does this go? The Secret Rare, Jirachi. Awesome. That is wicked. I can't believe I got that card. There's one other one, I forgot what it was. This is 97 out of 95. Wicked, dude. That's a really good pull right there. Maybe in the other box, I'll get the other one. Team Aqua Belt. Team Magma Belt. Meowth. Corphish, Houndour, Poochyena, Aron, Dual Ball Reverse, and a Sharpedo. Damn. Maxi, Manectric, neither of which I have, Carvana, Team Aqua Schemer, Poochyena, Poochyena again, obviously, Baltoy, Carvana Reverse, and a double Rainbow Energy. That looks so familiar. Seen that tons of stuff. Lantern, Team Aqua Hideout, Corphish, Houndour, Chinchou, Spheal, Rhyhorn, Rhyhorn Reverse, and another double Rainbow Energy. Electric, Rhyhorn, Slowpoke, Spheal, Squirtle, Team Aqua Schemer, Chinchou, Claydol Reverse, and a Team Magma's Rhydon. Wow, that is awesome. Wicked. Doing extremely well. Wow. Claydol, Strength Charm, Cubone, Houndour, Corphish, Rhyhorn, Aeron, whoops, I'll just go straight to it. Torkoal, Holo, wow. That is awesome. Alright guys, so that concludes this part. I'm gonna end it right there. I got so many holos, so many epic cards. Jirachi Secret Rare, Groudon, Aggron, Houndoom, Venetric, Claydol, and a Cacturne. No doubles. That is wicked. What a set. I love this set. I still got tons more to go. So stay tuned guys. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys in the next part.